Okie dokie, welcome back to Walk Around with Ralph. As you can see, we're in beautiful downtown Ruidoso Downs today. They've recently had some fires and some flooding down here, and we just came down, gave them a chance to regroup and reload and see how they're doing. They've really got it cleaned up. It's looking nice. The racetracks are back in operation, and they're running races. We're going to go downtown and look around and see how the downtown area is. We may go out to a little bit of the fire area, but not too much. We mainly want to concentrate on the downtown because Ruidoso is a beautiful town. Really do love it. We're going to head downtown. Come here, Heath Cliff. Let's head downtown. Okie dokie. We're going to give you a little bit better view of the sign and the entryway to Ruidoso Downs here as we come into the city. Heathcliff's out there being my cameraman, doing a good job. Come on back in here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie, we're down here at the Museum of the Horse on our way into town. This is kind of a unique place. We have different types of horses here. Be sure to push that subscribe button so you can get all of our future videos. As you go along here, they have information placards that tell you what type of horse is what. We just passed the thoroughbred, and now we're going past the quarter horse here. We're coming up on some of my favorites. The Appaloosas. I've always loved them, not just for their markings, but because they have a special personality for some reason. They're just a good mild-mannered horse if you got the right one. If you don't have the right one, they're kind of like a dog. They get a little upset at you. We're coming around a corner here to another one of my favorite plow horses. This great big horse down here is the Morgan. Morgans were kind of famous for their pulling ability. They're a big old brute of a horse. They're real mild-mannered for their size. They seem to get along with people well on other horses. They don't bully the other horses even though they could. Anyway, this is the first park you'll see down here at the Downs, and it'll remind you of what the history of Ruidoso Downs is, which is pure horses. They have a big racetrack here. They actually have a famous race down here. It doesn't get much bigger than that, $1 million purse. We're going to go into town now, so come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie, I was on my way into town and we saw this beautiful mural on the side of this fire station, so I just had to stop and take a peek at it and spend a little time with it. Got Heathcliff doing the camera duty. He's going to let him go out a little ways and get a broader view of this beautiful mural. This is all tile too. It's not painted. They tiled that thing. It turned out really nice. Come on back in here, Heathcliff. Let's trot downtown and see what we can find. Okie dokie, here we are in beautiful downtown Ruidoso, New Mexico. They've had some fires and floods and stuff down here, but they recovered really nice. The downtown area stayed pretty good. They had to evacuate it because of the smoke. But all in all, it weathered it pretty good. You can see all the little local shops and stuff are still open. And every place weathered it pretty good. I'm glad to see this because I really do love Ruidoso. I'm going to let Heathcliff follow me around for just a minute. Come here, Heathcliff. Okay, walk around with Ralph. We're going to walk around just a little bit here. As you can see, every place made it pretty good. Ruidoso's in fine shape. Didn't get torn up too bad. They've got it pretty well cleaned up from all the flooding that happened. So we're all proud of of Ruidoso recovering as quick as they did. I did go down and get some big drone footage of the fire devastation and stuff like that. I may include a clip or two in here just to show you what they're recovering from. But anyway, let's walk around with Ralph in downtown Ruidoso. Hope everybody's relieved seeing it high and dry and not on fire. They actually weathered the fires and the stuff pretty good compared to what could have happened. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can get all my future videos. We'll catch y'all later. Come here, Heath Cliff. Okie dokie, I'm gonna give us a little broader view here of Main Street, beautiful downtown Ruidoso. Just to show you that the place is still intact. You still come here and have a good time. Let's walk around with Ralph. Come on back here, Heathcliff. Good guy. Okie dokie, we can't come to Ruidoso without going to KOAS here. Sure, really good food in here. They recovered pretty good. They had a heck of a flood out here. Let's get a broader view of this. We got Heathcliff out here doing my camera duties. He's giving us a broader view of KOAS. This parking lot was running like a river about a week ago, so they've done an outstanding job of cleaning it up. Glad to see Ruidoso coming back from this. Come on back here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. Got pictures of my flight clearance at both the front and the back of this so that the drone cops will know that I did get clearance from the FAA for these flights. This part wasn't in the actual national forest. There were no TFRs, no temporary flight restrictions. So I did manage to get up and get a little bit of the damage. Didn't want to put too much of it up. I got a lot more footage in this, but I didn't want to put too much of it up just because I don't want to show too much of the devastation. There was a lot of damage done in the areas that we looked at today. And to show some of the bright side here, we just wanted to show you that for those who were displaced, that the American Red Cross is out and they have the shelters in place, so people who were knocked out of their homes that got burnt down or whatever, they have places to stay. Temporary shelters, but hey, they're out there doing their job. The National Guard was out there also. They had trucks, I guess, to move the shelters around with. All in all, though, the recovery's underway, folks. It's coming right along here. Here's my flight clearance to show that it did get proper clearance to fly. Catch you later. Bye.